Okay, so we just made it to this amazing lookout. Really pretty. And there's a whale in here. So this is my first whale. I'm gonna see a whale. It's out here swimming around someplace over that way. This is pretty exciting. Water's like pretty shallow. And in the valley beyond that little ridge and that island is where the Pepiopae Bog lookout is, and that's where we saw the white tropic bird, like I think about a month ago in the forest reserve. So everything's really awesome here. I love Kalaupapa. I hope I get that job. But okay, yeah, I'm gonna go eat lunch. And take a bit of a rest. Then we're gonna be back to camp.